Hi friends, this video shows how to check why is my Google TV is not updating. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go down, go to system, select about, go to system update. Now it's checking for update. We need internet connection. It says your system is up to date. That means I already installed latest update of Google TV. That is why it's saying your system is up to date. We can also manually check for new update. Use this check for update button on the right side. Select it. See, it's again checking for update. See, it's again saying your system is up to date. If there is an error during update, you would be able to see that error here in this screen. You can check this screen. So this update will fail if there is no enough free space in your device. So in that case, you have to delete some data from your device, or you have to uninstall some apps. That way you can create some free space. Then you can again come here under about system update. Then again you can check for update, then download and install the update. So this way we can check why Google TV is not updating. Just check this screen. Okay, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.